Once again, we will start this tutorial from the Google website. And this tutorial is about how to get Jing and download it to your computer and then use it as screencast software. Jing is free software that you can make screencasts of on your computer, in other words, videos of your actual screen, and you can save up to 5 minutes of video, a maximum of 5 minutes, and then you're able to also either save the video to your desktop or to a file that you could send to somebody, or you actually could save it up on the screencast.com free website. So the first thing you need to do is Google for Jing, and what it'll find is Jing Project. That's what the web address will be. It'll be www.jingproject.com. And you can click on Getting Started with Jing because it downloads for either Mac or Windows. And when you go to Jing, then at this point, whether you're Mac or Windows, you will download Jing onto your computer. And this really doesn't take very long to do, so you'll be doing it during our Web 2.0 seminar, as long as the site we're at will allow you to download and install the software on your computer. I've already got it on my computer and I keep it in the background. So I'm going to go to my Spotlight on my Mac here and look for this Jing project. Double click on the application and it's going to launch the Jing project. A great big old sun comes up, and you notice the sun then disappeared up in this upper right hand corner. And in this right hand corner we have a crosshairs that says capture, we have a history, and then we have more. So what I'm going to do here is to get my computer clear of everything that I have on it so that we can demonstrate maybe how to use Profcast with this Jing software. So what I'm going to do is, before I get Jing up, I'm going to load Profcast. I'm going to get Profcast on my desktop, and then I'm going to take one of these applications, one of these PowerPoints. Let's say I'm going to take this Vision, Mission, and Goals PowerPoint, and I take it and I drag it over. I'll be dragging it over and putting them in my Profcast. So what I have to do with Jing now is I click on the crosshairs, and then when I do this, whatever part of the screen that when I hold down with the clicker and with the mouse pad, that'll be what it's recording. So let's say I hold down that much of the screen. Okay, the next thing I'm going to want to do is make a video. So I go here where it says video, and when I select video, what you'll see is the old film strip holes in the side of the screencast here will start moving when it starts videoing. It also checks to see if my mic is on, and it'll give us a countdown of 3, 2, 1. So let's get started. Well, there we go. We have a countdown of 3, 2, 1. That means with these film strip sides going that it's working. So I'm going to take this Vision, Mission, and Goals. I'm going to drop it into the Profcast program. Now what this Profcast program does, it allows us to keep our voice with our PowerPoint presentation when we're making a presentation. So for example, if a teacher was teaching a class and they were doing a lecture style class and they had PowerPoint presentation that they were giving, the PowerPoint presentation will remain with the words as the professor or as the teacher is talking. So right now what we're doing is we're demonstrating this Profcast. So as I push this start recording button, I have Profcast going on in the background, and what it's going to do is it's going to actually start my PowerPoint show that I'd be doing if I was a teacher, and it's being recorded. In actuality, I'm recording two things here. I'm recording with Jing to show you how Jing works, as well as I am recording with this Profcast program. So as I'd advance through the slides of the Profcast, the slides would come up, and I know I don't have the full screen here, but you can see what happens. It's taking a picture of my screens as my voice continues. So now I'm going to stop the Jing application that we're working on, and I'm also going to say I'm done with the Profcast. Now my Jing is going to be sitting in the background, and right now it's saving my PowerPoint slides, so really I'm doing kind of two simultaneous recordings at the same time, just so I can get this Profcast out of the way. Let me call it something just to get it out of the way so that it goes on my desktop, so that then I can actually stop my work that I'm doing here with the Jing. So when I go over here with the Jing, then I can either share it, which puts it on the web, I can embed it, I can save it, or I can cancel. So if I said share, for example, then it gives me a choice to be able to save it to Comcast. I'm going to do that. That's my email address for Comcast. Then I have to put in my password, and then it's going to appear in the upper right hand corner. It's going to upload this to screencast.com, so later on I can get the file. So that's how you make a file with Jing.